Hey guys, it's Aaron, and today I want to tell you about jumbo loans. Now, most people actually know what jumbo loans are around here in Seattle, but in case you don't, every year there's a limit set for Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac loans, things like that, and if your loan exceeds that, it's what we call a jumbo loan. Right now, the limit is $667,000 in most of the Seattle area. So when you need to borrow $700,000, $800,000, $1 million on your loan, this is what we call a jumbo loan. Now there's 5 main things that tend to cause problems when you're trying to get a jumbo loan. The first thing's credit. Not just your credit scores, those are really important. You do need to have a higher credit score usually, but also the length of time you've had credit and the number of what we call trade lines, things like credit cards, car loans, student loans, mortgages. Jumbo loan investor is going to always require a longer period of time for credit history and require that you have those accounts established. The other thing that is crucial with jumbo financing is assets. Cash is king when you need a jumbo loan, not just for the down payment and cash to close, but post-closing, after closing. They want to show that you have reserve assets available for sometimes 6, 12 months, 18 months of reserves assets that you can tap into if needed. The third thing is debt to income ratio. This is your monthly debts, including that new mortgage payment, divided by your monthly income. Investors in jumbo loans have very hard set cutoffs for debt to income ratio. It can be a lot lower than your traditional cutoffs, and sometimes it's 38%, 40, 42%, and sometimes we go up to 50% with traditional loans, so much lower debt to income ratio cutoffs. The fourth thing is work visas. This is a strange one, but some investors just don't work with borrowers that have a work visa. They require that you be a US citizen or have a green card. And the last one is variable income. These are things like bonus, stock income, commissions, things that change over time. So we call it variable income, and there are some really big employers here in the Seattle area that often part of your compensation package is bonus and stock and things like that. Generally speaking, you need to show a 2-year history of receiving that variable income to use it when you're buying a house. So these are the 5 most common things that we see cause problems for people looking for jumbo financing. If you are thinking you need a bigger loan amount and you have questions about your specific scenario, please reach out. We'd love to go over things with you and see if we can help you out. Thanks so much for watching.